Hello everyone, my name is Shakash Kumar. 2 months ago, one of my friend has referred me Craw Academy, and after hearing that, I have visited Craw, and I meet my counselor Prerna, and she has introduced and awared me about the course of cybersecurity, in which there are different modules and different types of cybersecurities analyst and other things. And after joining Grow, I have started my journey with my first module with networking, where I've got my trainer Param, and he has to introduce and teach me many things about networking, network tools, firewalls, research routers, and many more things. And as well as I have got PD classes from Grow Academy, in which I have told and teach that I have to how I have to check and aware about my moot points in the interviews, and I have got the mock classes, mock tests for that to so that I can crack the interview. And after a long time, after 2 months, when I have entered in my second module Linux of my trainer Anand sir, he has taught me and told me about Linux and many things in the Linux operating systems. I've got finally at last I've got a opportunity in Techbridge, and my placement cells has practiced me and tried me how to crack the interview. I've given the first round of my interview as an HR round, and after cracking that, I have told that I have to give the second round in a assessment round. And at assessment round, I have a different various type of question which I have told and teached by my network and Linux teachers. And at last, my final round has been done, and I have got placed in Techbridge with the help of Craw Academy. And now I am thankful to the Craw Academy and their placement cells, and I am very glad that I have chosen Grow Academy for my journey. And thank you so much, Grow.